How to save parking location in Google Maps. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap the blue dot that shows your current location. From the menu that appears, tap Save Parking. Google Maps will place a P marker on the map to indicate where you've parked. If you'd like, tap the parking location card at the bottom of the screen to add notes, parking time, or photos to help you remember where your vehicle is. When you're ready to return to your car, tap the parking location marker on the map, then tap Directions to get walking directions back to your car. If you no longer need the saved parking location, tap the parking location card and select Clear or Remove, depending on your version of the app. And that's it. You've successfully saved your parking location in Google Maps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.